Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your very own quiz set on the Quizlet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Quizlet app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account using your email address and your password or your social accounts. After logging in, you will end up within the home page from which you can start learning various different lessons. Now, if you wish to create your very own quiz set, just click on the plus button at the bottom section and you will now find the flashcard set option. Go ahead and click on it, and this will now allow you to create your very own flashcard sets or your Quizlet. Just enter your subject, your chapter or your unit, and you may also enter a description. You also have the option to scan your document to create the Quizlet directly, but this is only available to premium users. Now underneath, just enter all of your questions manually and tap on the plus button to add more questions. You can tap on the gear icon to change various different settings. And finally, tap on the tick mark at the top right corner once you are done creating your quiz set. After your quiz set has been created, you will find it within your library and you can access it anytime that you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create your very own quiz set within the Quizlet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.